Okay, so this one is 30/40 and this one is 40/60. Hey guys, so actually the whole day I've been doing this and I forgot to film an intro. So basically what happened was I bought canvases because I already planned to do this, but I wasn't planning to film it, but I thought it'd be kind of cool if I could do like a sort of tutorial on how I did it, because it's so easy and I think it's something you can do during this time. So I regret that peace sign. If I can retract it, I retract it because that was weird. I'm gonna be doing something like this. So what we're gonna do with the canvas is we're gonna paint it first and then we're gonna embroider. So I'll teach you guys how to do it. It's so easy. Okay, so for mine, I'll be using 3 colors: blue, yellow, and white. I'm gonna be making a minty green because that's the color of my string. So I gotta follow this color. So blue and yellow makes green. Of course, if you have green, just use that, but I don't. So I'm just gonna mix until I like the color I want, which is about this consistency. I'm gonna take my canvas, and actually it's gonna be portrait, but because you can't really see, I'm just gonna hold it this way, and I am going to take down where I want to paint it. So for me, I want there to be like a line, so I'm just gonna start from here instead of in the corner. I'm gonna start from here and then I'm gonna go down to the corner. Actually, wait, like this. So you can choose how you want the line to be. I just chose an image I want, went to Wallet Generator, and then I created the poster. And basically you're gonna upload your file or your photo here so that it will break it down for you in case you don't have an A3 printer. So you can print out your images by A4 by A4, so you don't have to worry about the sizing being wrong when you crop it yourself. It's so useful. Just choose like whatever you want and then you print it out. Like it will download as a PDF and then you can print it out. Yes, yeah. Okay, I just printed out my photo into 4 pieces, and I'm just gonna cut it as close to the line as I can. And take some tape, and I'm just gonna tape down the lines so it doesn't move. So I don't have an embroidery needle. I'm not sure if this is one. I highly doubt it, but it's just a really thick needle. And I'm just gonna poke the lines of where I want the embroidery to be. So you usually have like the same spacing. If you tape it down, tape it to the non-painted side. Yeah, like that one hole. Then you leave a space and you poke another. And you just keep going. Make sure there's evenly spaced as you can. So I just threaded my needle with the embroidery string. Now what I'm gonna do is when I have my start point, press it in from the back. Do my needle, I push it into the back, not the front. Go back in. And we're gonna do a back stitch. So to do a back stitch, you gotta go to the second hole through the back, like that. And then we go back through to the bottom of the first one. And just keep repeating that. So we're gonna go to the back from the third hole. And bring it back. You have to be really patient, now you're gonna keep creating knots. Side, and I added green on it. So now with the holes on the other side, I'm gonna add white. So I just stopped my line exactly at the line, as you can tell. Like, you know what I mean? I stopped my sew at the line.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. No. Till I go
So this is the final product of my work. As you can tell, it's green and white, but the thing is, my white string was not that thick. I should have laid it 2 times, but I did not have enough string. But this is the final piece. It's so easy to do and so relaxing. I spent the whole day doing this. So yeah, try it out. Let me know if you guys do and like it.